On today's Teton quick tip, how to make a very cobbler on a skillet. To start things off, this can be done on the grill or on the fire. Since we're in studio today, we're opting for the grill. Mix together 2 pounds of your favorite fresh berries, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, half of a fresh squeezed lemon. And then just mix those ingredients into the skillet. And now let's get the dough ready. First things first, 1 cup of that super fresh flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which some people use as toothpaste, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next up, 2 tablespoons of sweet, succulent sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Now whisk it up until it's a nice fresh dough. Now that the fruit's nice and thick, we add the dough on the top in nice clumps of about 5 or 6. And now, gently and delicately brush the top with cinnamon sugar. After adding the dough, cover the top of the skillet with a lid of aluminum foil. Now that it's all done, take a bite and enjoy. And that's today's Teton quick tip. Get outdoors and enjoy life.